The term middle class refers to the group of people who can be found between the working class and upper class. Working class refers to people who have a paying job but they have limited education. The upper class is a socio-economic term that refers to people who have the highest position in society. They are the wealthiest and most respected. Since we have those who occupy the most elevated rank, some people occupy the lowest status in any society, and they are termed low class. The middle class is below the upper class, and the low class is below the middle class. Those who belong to the low class are grouped that way because they have a low income and lack the skills to move to a higher class. Welcome to this channel Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. If you find yourself among this class of people who are socially ranked low, it is not the end of the world, and you are not alone. Your situation can change, and you can also be among the upper class. However, you need to take the first step and work towards being among the middle class. Below are tips to help you move up in your social ranking. Number 1. The mindset games. Growth is a mindset game. When money is mentioned, the lower classes become afraid, and they don't think of possibilities or opportunities. The middle class or upper class thinks of abundance, and they worry less about money. When you see wealthy people, you wish to be like them, but it just doesn't happen because you want it to. You need to work on your scarcity mindset and start seeing yourself from a better financial position. What matters here is your mindset. Nobody has an easy life, we all face obstacles at one point in life. However, you should not give in to your situation. You also can be among the middle and upper class if you have a change of mindset. How do you develop a positive attitude? Invest in books and practice whatever you learn diligently. In addition, network with people with the same goal as yourself. Number 2. Nobody is coming to rescue you. When you become an adult, you are responsible for your choices and decisions. No one is coming to move you from the low class to the middle class. You are entirely responsible for yourself. This makes it easier for you to make positive decisions. If you are among those who blame others for how they are, you need to quit the habit. You cannot be victorious if you continue to play the victim. Socially, you are among the low class. You need to admit it. Once you accept it, your journey to saving yourself has begun. Complain less because those that are where you desire to be didn't get there by complaining. Before we proceed, please like and share this piece and leave a comment for those working towards moving from low class to middle class. Number 3. Are you skillful? For you to solve life problems through critical thinking, you need a skill set. You need the skills to help you move from where you are presently. Skill set opens the door to financial independence. You need to be good at something. Some people will be willing to pay you for the skill. Globally, everything keeps changing. It is risky to go through life without having a marketable skill. It is never too late to learn something new. If you think there is no time, you have to remember that you have now to decide to do something with your life. With your skill set, you can become self-employed. With this, you will never go hungry. Number 4. Pursue knowledge. In all you do, please, seek knowledge. Knowledge is the thin difference between the low and middle class. Knowledge is the only way to protect yourself from the world. The middle and upper classes are knowledgeable. They implemented the knowledge, which is why they can get to where they are today. The best place to seek knowledge is from books and mentors. Get books on finance and read them as many times as possible. The world is constantly changing, and you need to keep up with it by updating your past knowledge. Don't be left in the past. Most importantly, if you are looking forward to investing, you need updated knowledge about the financial market. Number 5. Start with a plan. Nothing can be achieved if there is no plan. Yes, you want to move from low class to middle class. However, it would help if you had a detailed plan to begin with. Your goal should be definite and achievable. If you don't have a plan, you will jump on anything that comes your way. Don't allow your efforts to go to waste. When you set goals of what you want and how you want it, it will be easier for you to progress. Since you are staying with me till the end of this video, here is a bonus tip for you. Invest diversely. To have a diversified investment, you need to create a healthy spending and savings habit. If you have a monthly budget, do your best and stick to it. Don't spend money buying things that you don't need. That is a bad financial habit, and it should not be seen as a way for someone aiming to change their life from low class to middle class. After working hard, save a portion of your pay for rainy days. This will help you take care of emergencies. With time, when your savings grow, you can now proceed to think of profitable investment opportunities. This is you taking brilliant steps towards having a change of class. Finally, it will not be easy, bear that in mind before you begin. Notwithstanding, if you keep going after what you want, the chances are high that you will get it soon. You will hit your target, and the sky will be your starting point. You may not see progress immediately. No matter how little the progress is, keep in mind that baby steps still matter in life. If you enjoy this video, do like it. This is how we will get to know how much you enjoy it, and we will keep bringing similar content your way. Please share this video and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.